Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable to Excel. This is a really useful skill when you need to share your database information with team members who prefer working in spreadsheets or when you want to perform additional analysis outside of Airtable. First, open your web browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your workspace. This will take you to your Airtable dashboard where all your bases and tables are stored. After logging in, take a look at the top navigation bar of your Airtable workspace. You'll notice several options there, and you need to make sure you're currently on the Data tab. This is important because the Data view is where you can see your actual records and information laid out in a structured format. If you're on a different tab, simply click on Data to switch to this view. This ensures you're looking at the right section where the export options are available. Now, within your data view, you'll see that your information is displayed in what's called a grid view. This is the default spreadsheet-like layout that Airtable uses. Look for the drop-down menu right next to where it says Grid View. Click on this drop-down and you'll see several viewing and formatting options appear. This menu gives you access to various ways to interact with your data. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Download CSV. This is the option that will allow you to export your Airtable data into a format that Excel can easily open and read. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a universal format that works seamlessly with Excel and most other spreadsheet applications. Once you click Download CSV, Airtable will immediately start processing your request. The download will begin automatically, and your browser will save the file to your default Downloads folder. The file will be saved with a CSV extension, which means you can open it directly in Excel by double-clicking on it, or you can import it into Excel through the application itself. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Airtable data into a CSV file that's ready to use in Excel. This makes it easy to work with your data in different environments and share it with anyone who needs it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.